Now, to discuss the commitments our government is making and the impacts we're striving for, and to have a conversation with Bill about how the ideas he expressed can work on the ground, I have the honor to welcome to the stage the President of Sierra Leone, His Excellency Julius Maada.
The human resource is the most important resource that we have in the world. And any attempt to embark on development without first going back to the human resource will never work. But I know that development is about people and it's for people. Therefore, you cannot develop a country if you do not develop the human capital.
For him, as far as he's concerned, there are two things we can do to improve young people and give them access. One is about making sure they have quality education, but also about increasing the access to healthcare. Because for him, those two things are very fundamental and critical to making sure that we give people, and young people especially, the empowerment that they need to make sure that they contribute to national development.
Digital visibility on all these different services will help us to find the people who are doing it well, to spread best practices, and to make sure that people have a sense that the government is learning and constantly improving.
He exuded passion for his free quality education and for his commitment to leave no Sierra Leonean child behind. He also reiterated his commitment to address poverty to create wealth for the majority of his people.
Now, I've been working with Room to Read to create a plan to roll out a new literacy program in my country, Sierra Leone. But only if we can find the additional funding needed. So, this is our call to action to all of you.
I want to say thank you to David, who accepted my invitation to go back home from IBM. I had to find special words to convince him to go back to one of the poorest countries. But I challenged him, and that is the challenge I want to throw to the world.
We need to engage ourselves and surprise the world on the progress we make.
You've heard it, people. Thank you, President Bill. I look forward to working with you to truly make Sierra Leone an example to the world of how innovation can help us achieve the sustainable development goals. And Bill, thank you very, very much.